Namaskar. Good morning, everyone.
Good morning.
How are you all? Namaskar. Good morning, everyone. How are you all?
Namaskar.
Namaskar. Namaskar, बच्चा. How are you all?
I am fine.
Fine. Okay. Say thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
And say how are you, ma'am? How are you, ma'am? पूछो सब. I am also fine. Thank you. I am fine. Thank you, beta. This is the question that you ask. आपको पूछना भी है तो आपको how to ask the question formal that आप जब कुछ किसी को मिलते हो तो पूछना है and greet करना है. How to greet? Good morning, good evening, good afternoon. Okay. So now let us join our hands. Close your eyes for prayer. सर्वमंगल मांगल्ये शिवे सर्वार्थ साधिके शरण्ये त्र्यंबके गौरी नारायणी नमोस्तुते. सर्वमंगल मांगल्ये शिवे सर्वार्थ साधिके शरण्ये त्र्यंबके गौरी नारायणी नमोस्तुते. नारायणी नमोस्तुते. Now everyone rub your hands and touch your eyes. Slowly open your eyes. So how you feel? Good. Yes, its slope gives us good vibes. Okay. कोई भी रिलीजियस के हो फिर भी हमें श्लोक रिसाइट और सुनने से क्या होता है? गुड एनर्जी मिलती है. हमें एनर्जी मिलती है एंड इट इज जस्ट अ पॉजिटिव वाइब. ओके. ये श्लोक क्या है? पॉजिटिव वाइब है. संस्कृत लैंग्वेज इज अ मदर लैंग्वेज ऑफ ऑल द लैंग्वेज, राइट? मदर लैंग्वेज होती है और उसके बाद उसके ये श्लोक जो है वो सारे रिलीजियस के लिए टच होता है और एक रिलीजियस के लिए नहीं है. सो एवरीवन ऑलवेज रिसाइट श्लोक एंड अगर श्लोक नहीं आता है तो सुनना है. यस. नाउ व्हाट वी डन डे बिफोर यस्टरडे? What we done? Everyone complete your class work. Okay, homework is in your page number 24 in your worksheet. Okay, उसमें थोड़ा गलत था कि 55 पेज नंबर था, बट हमें वो नहीं लेना है. हमें लेना है 24 day before yesterday का. Okay, so today we are going to take one more page, that is page number 25. Okay. यस, वेरी गुड. हमारा जो टेक्स्ट बुक का था कंप्लीट किया ना सबने? यस और नो? ओके, गुड बेटा. एवरीवन. ओके, सो लेट अस स्टार्ट. आज मैं आपको सबको आई विल शो सम फ्लैश कार्ड अबाउट वेजिटेबल्स एंड देन वी स्टार्ट अवर क्लास वर्क. ओके. सो what happened, Hattie? Okay, so I will show some flashcard about vegetables. I will share my screen here. So these all are vegetables. Vegetables are healthy to eat. Okay, वो healthy होते हैं. हमें हमारी बॉडी में एनर्जी एंड विटामिन एंड मिनरल्स मिलते हैं. This is when we take raw vegetables, right? And raw fruit. Okay, fruit juice and fruits. Okay, so let us start from this peas. All the kids like peas, yes or no, kids? Okay, do you like green peas to eat? Yes, in winter season we get this green peas, fresh green peas, right? अभी भी मिलते हैं, but so that is not tasty and fresh. So it is a winter season vegetable. Okay, what is the spelling of peas? That is P-E-A-S, peas. This is broccoli. Broccoli is a green vegetable and it is a flower of the part of a plant. This one is cabbage. C-A-B-B-A-G-E, cabbage. Cabbage is a leafy vegetable. This one is capsicum. C-A-P-H-I-C-U-M, capsicum. Capsicum generally we get in three colors, that is red, yellow and this one is green. Now next is brinjal. Blend. Here is a blend. Brinjal. B-R-I-N-J-A-L. Brinjal. Brinjal also we get in two colors, that is purple and green. This one is tomato. We make sauce, soup and curry and salad out of the tomato. Tomato's taste is sour and it is very tasty to eat. सब kids को tomatoes अच्छे लगते हैं. Yes or no, kids? Do you like tomato? Yes. So what is the color of tomato? Red. Now what is the spelling of tomato? T-O-M-A-T-O, tomato. Now next is D-U-C-K, duck. D-U-C-K, duck. Sorry, this one is bird. We over this point. Okay, we over this. Now this one is radish. R-A-D-I-S-H, radish. Radish is a vegetable that is a root part of a plant. Okay, root में मिलता है ये. And this one is we eat as a raw, as a salad. Okay, salad में बना के खा सकते हैं. This one is carrot. Carrot is a vegetable that is also root. Okay, and it is sweet in taste and orange color, right? So carrot, what is the rhyming word of carrot? That is parrot. Parrot and carrot are rhyming words. Okay. Now next is cauliflower. This one is spinach. S-P-I-N-A-C-H. Spinach is a green vegetable that is leafy vegetable. This is onion. O-N-I-O-N. Onion. This one is chili. C-H-I-L-L-I. Chili. Chili also we get in two colors, that is red and green. It is spicy vegetable. And this is garlic. G-A-R-L-I-C. Garlic, chili and onion get hot and spicy taste to our vegetables. जब हम vegetables बनाते हैं तो उसमें ये garlic, chilies and onion add करने से वो taste बहुत spicy होता है. So all the vegetables are equally हमारे लिए ज़रूरी होता है. So everyone eats vegetables and fruit daily. Yes? When mama make vegetables, you don't have to say no, I don't want to eat. You have to eat some and some. थोड़ा बहुत कुछ भी आप खा सकते हो. अगर नहीं अच्छा लगता है फिर भी आप टेस्ट करने के लिए भी vegetable soup, vegetable curry, all these things you always have to eat. And we also add in our meal, that is buttermilk and curd and fruit juice. Okay, so it is healthy food. It is called healthy food. We have to always eat healthy food. Packets कम खाने चाहिए kids. So we will start our today's classwork. That is in your worksheet, everyone. Take out your worksheet, pencil, eraser. Everyone, please take out your pencil, eraser and worksheet. So I will show you. Everyone, please off your camera, beta. Mahia, Muksha, Eti. So this is page number 25 in our worksheet. Page number 25 in our worksheet. Okay. First of all, we have to write here CW. And today's date is 11. Which date is today? 11. Okay. Now, which month is this? This month is September. September is the 9th month of the year. Year is the 2021. And there are 5 types of tests. There are 5 types of tests. How many tests we have? How many? 5 tests. Okay. And we test with our tongue. That is our next means कि next evolution में जो points होगा, that is our sense organs and parts of the body. उसमें आ जाएगा कि we test with our tongue. So here there are 5 types of tests. How many types? 5 types. Circle the correct food item that gives the test mentioned below. हमें क्या करना है? यहाँ पर जो ये है, ये बॉक्सेस में सारे टेस्ट है. टेस्ट के स्पेलिंग्स है, टेस्ट नेम. हियर आर सम टेस्ट के नेम है. स्वीट, स्पाइसी, बिटर, सॉल्टी एंड सोर. एंड हियर आर सम पिक्चर्स दैट इज जम्बल. ओके, इसमें से कौन सा टेस्ट किसका है हमें सर्कल करना है. वो करेक्ट जो ये टेस्ट के हिसाब से यहाँ पर उसके जैसी थिंग्स हो उसमें हमें क्या करना है? सर्कल. वी हैव टू सर्कल दैट थिंग दैट मैच विद द टेस्ट. ओके, थिंग्स मैच विद द टेस्ट. एवरीवन अंडरस्टूड नाउ? ओके, सो लेट अस स्टार्ट विद this test. This is sweet. S-W-E-E-T. Sweet. S-W-E-E-T. Sweet. Sweet test. Sweet means कि पता चल गया ना आपको sweet test. So this is eyes. Eyes have sweet. Eyes have no any taste, right? Any taste होता है? No. Then here is a honey. Do you taste any time honey? Kids, do you taste honey? Honey is a कैसा होता है honey का taste? That you know? Yes, yes, very good, Divyanshu, and one more is okay, Purvadhiya, Mahia, very good. इसका honey का taste होता है sweet, and this one is capsicum. Capsicum has also no taste, बहुत taste नहीं होता है उसका भी. So we have to circle the thing that is sweet in taste. Okay, that is sweet in taste. You have to circle the honey. Bottle of honey. Okay, bottle of honey. You have to circle the this thing. That is sweet in taste. Okay. Now next, spicy. S-P-I-C-Y. Spicy means ki. What is spicy? That is hot in taste. We feel spicy in our tongue. Okay, so here are some examples of this taste. Here is a salt. Salt is salty. This is cake. Cake is sweet. And this is chili. Yes, chili has spicy taste. Chili has spicy taste. So we have to circle this thing. Okay, circle this thing. Okay, now this is bitter. B-I-T-T-E-R. Bitter. Bitter means कि कैसा होता है? कड़वा टेस्ट होता है. Bitter means okay. So now sugar has a bitter taste? No. And banana has bitter taste? No. So obviously this is bitter gourd, and we have to circle the bitter gourd. We have to circle the bitter gourd. Okay, it has bitter taste. Bitter gourd has a bitter taste. Okay, now salty. This is salty. Okay kids, now this one is papaya. Papaya has a sweet taste. And this one is coffee. Coffee has also sweet and somewhat थोड़ा सा अलग, so sweet and sour and mixed taste होता है कॉफी का थोड़ा. And this one is chips. So chips is salty. Yes. So we have to circle these things. Okay. Now next is sour. S-O-U-R. Sour. S-O-U-R. Sour. Sour means कि कैसा होता है? sour taste कैसा होता है? मैम हम हर रोज बोलते थे कि वेजिटेबल्स आ गए, फ्रूट्स में कौन से sour fruits होते हैं? That is orange. And one more sour fruit is, yes, tell me, kiwi. And one more is pineapple, also sweet and sour taste. Pineapple also have थोड़ा सा खट्टा मीठा. Yes, so it is called खट्टा. So here is a corn. Here is a picture of corn. Corn is sweet. So we don't have to circle it. And this one is watermelon. Watermelon has also sweet taste. Now this is curd. Curd has sour taste. So we have to circle this curd. This ball of curd. This ball of curd, we have to circle this ball of curd. Okay. So kids, now you understand this. These are all the tests we have in our tongue. आप जब टेस्ट करते हो तो किससे करते हो? कौन से organ से? That is tongue. Okay. tongue से हम सारे टेस्ट करते हैं. That is sweet, spicy, bitter, salty and sour. Okay. So we complete all our CW. So once again, sweet is honey, spicy is chili. Now bitter is bitter gourd, salty taste chips, and we have sour taste in curd. Okay, curd has sour taste. Sour means khata. So everyone understood this classwork? Yes, everyone. Good. सबने आंसर दिया है 1-1. So very good. So our class work is done, everyone. So everyone done your class work? Okay, very good, beta. Now I will take your present and ask some questions. Okay. So in each and every vegetables and fruits have their taste. Yes, they have some and some taste some has a sweet and some has a salty and some has bitter and some has some another taste that is spicy. Okay, so everyone, you have to eat vegetables and fruits. Now I will ask some question about vegetables. Our annual exams are there. Yes, सबको पता होगा कब है. So you have to prepare about all these things. Okay, you have to prepare the spellings of all this topic of our GK. Okay, spellings के साथ जितने भी हम questions answer करते हैं always related all this topic, you have to memorize all these things. Okay, whenever I show you the flashcard about topic, then I give you some instruction and all the things that उसमें से ही question answer आएंगे. So there is no problem. आपके सबको ये जो टॉपिक स्टार्ट होता है तब से आपको फ्लैश कार्ड दिखाते जो भी मैं क्वेश्चन आंसर करती हूँ, जो भी थिंग्स मैं आपको एक्सप्लेन करती हूँ, उसमें सारे क्वेश्चन आंसर आते हैं. So you have to only listen carefully. Okay, whenever I give you information with the flashcard, you have to listen carefully, and now you have to read and recite the spellings of all the topics. Okay, kids? Yes. So we will start question answering. That is जो बाकी है उसके मैं आज पूछ लेती हूँ. चलो, how many? First of all, I will take your attendance. So, Arna, sorry. अंश दयानी, अरमान, अर्थ बंसल, भव्या फालदिया, धार्मिक फालदिया, दिया देत्रोजा, ध्यान चकासनिया, ध्यान ट्रम्बडिया, दिव्यांशु प्रधान, वैशाली सेठी, हेटी पसनिया, देविश्री चाडेजा, शेरिश, मनका सुंदरा, कीर्तिराज सिंह, गिरीश शिव, माहिया पटेल, मोक्षा कुंडारिया, मंजीत, मिदुनेश, नीत, पूर्वधिया, परम, रूही पटेल, विहान सिंह डोडिया, श्रिया ठक्कर, श्रुतन्वी सेठी, संपूर्णा जेना, विहान देकावड़िया, यक्ष, Okay, so let us start. Krishiv, Mahia, now Manjit. Manjit, Are you hear my voice, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
Hello, Manjit, how are you, beta? Hello, Manjit, are you hear my voice, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so I will ask one question कि give me two vegetables name. Give me two vegetables name that is green in color. Manjit, are you hear my voice, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
Give me two vegetables name that is green in color. ओके आपको स्पेलिंग नहीं बोलो तो कोई बात नहीं. अभी मुझे टू वेजिटेबल्स नेम जो आपके दिमाग में आ रहे हैं दैट इज इन ग्रीन कलर. ग्रीन कलर में कौन सा वेजिटेबल होता है दैट यू नो? आप फ्लैश कार्ड देखते हो? यस, आर यू अंडरस्टूड दिस लैंग्वेज? इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज समझते हो कि हिंदी में समझते हो बेटा?
Yes, ma'am.
इंग्लिश समझते हो
Yes, ma'am.
एंड हिंदी भी समझते हो? हिंदी समझते हो? हाँ, तो मुझे ग्रीन वेजिटेबल के दो नेम, हाँ, टू नेम्स बताइए. कैबेज एंड विच वन? यस, मैं समझ नहीं रही हूँ बेटा. I can't understand beta this word. Tell me again. Cabbage. Cabbage का spelling. Yes. Cabbage का spelling बोलो तो. What is the spelling of cabbage? Yes beta. Yes, good. Very good. बोलो. Yes. CA. ओके, तो आप है ना जब भी स्पेलिंग हम लिखे ना तभी आपको रीड करना है स्पेलिंग. ओके किड्स? ओके मंजीत? यस. हाँ, और जब भी सुबह में मैं स्टार्टिंग में ही बुलाती हूँ आपको जो स्पेलिंग के आई मीन फ्लैश कार्ड दिखाती हूँ, राइट? फ्लैश कार्ड दिखाती हूँ तब आपको सुनना है. यू हैव टू लिसन. मोक्षा. मोक्षा कुंडारिया.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I will ask one question. Which vegetable has red in color and sour in taste?
Tomato.
Yes, what is the spelling of tomato?
Tomato. Tomato.
Very good. So clapping everyone for Moksha. Very nice, beta. Now, next is Ruhi Patel. Ruhi, how are you, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, how are you? Fine. Okay, give me the vegetable name that is grow in the soil as a root.
Carrot.
Yes.
Double R O T. Carrot.
Carrot. What is the taste of carrot? What is the taste of carrot? ओके आपने कभी खाया है? खाया है आपने कैरट? हाँ, तो वो कैसा होता है? बिटर होता है, खट्टा होता है, खट्टा खट्टा होता है, कैसा होता है? मीठा। तो उसको क्या बोलते हैं? स्वीट। व्हाट इज द टेस्ट ऑफ कैरट? दैट इज स्वीट। यस, ओके, वेरी गुड। एंड व्हाट इज द कलर ऑफ कैरट? व्हाट इज द कलर ऑफ कैरट?
Orange.
Very good. So clapping for Ruhi Patel, everyone. Yes, okay. Now it is the time to say bye bye. Okay. Namaskar. Okay. Bye bye. Thank you. Thank you, everyone. Thank you. Namaskar.
Bye.